Hi, it's Tiziana. I'm just playing with some water marble, and I thought I have never tried to kind of make a water marble on how you say, like negative space, but it's not the word I was looking for. Anyway, you can see here I tried to do one already. So I'm using China glaze, black and white, and then I'm using Color Club. This one is called Hologram, and Angel Kiss. Then I'm using OPI. This one is called Cement. And then I'm using just a clear polish from War Paints. Yeah, from Native War Paints, clear polish. It has to be super clean before you pull it up. So I don't know what to do, I'm just playing, and I thought maybe I could use one of these three glitters, or not glitters, but I don't know how to say those. So I don't know if I'm gonna use color or kind of just silver. I wanted to use the pink, but I don't know if it's gonna be beautiful. Let's try with the pink. Just kind of a line. That's what's in my head. has to be a straight line. So yeah, I think that went good. I wasn't sure if I had to use these only. Like this Mani, I'm just improvising, and I thought, okay, let me just film it while I'm doing it. But now I'm not so sure. I don't know what to do. Here, I can put it up here. So this is how it looks now, and I think I'm gonna top it with my gel, my Moira gel. So I just want to see how it looks before I go on with the other nails. The nails. Thank you for watching. Bye.